What is a vegan diet? How it helps in losing weight. A vegan diet is a healthy option to lose weight for most of the people. People who adopt a vegan diet tend to have a thinner body or lower body mass index than the rest of the people. A well-planned vegan diet may help you in losing weight with the maintenance of blood sugar level, cholesterol level, and also decreases the risk of some diseases. What is a vegan diet? A vegan diet is actually the vegetarian diet plan. In this diet plan, you limit the intake of certain food sources. The food source you are going to skip in this diet plan is an animal source. Animal products such as chicken, turkey, red meat, fish, eggs, cheese, milk, or other foods derived from animal sources are not allowed. You can enjoy your meal with the healthy choices of foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, peas, nuts, seeds, beans, and other plant-based food sources. How a vegan diet help you in losing weight? If you are thinking to get rid of the excess weight, then you need to cut the calories or create a calorie deficit. A vegan diet helps you in creating a calorie deficit in many ways. High in fiber. Plant-based food sources are rich in fiber. Fiber sweeps through your intestine and helps in the cleaning of the pipeline. Fiber is very important for the human body. It helps in making you feel fuller and you tend to eat fewer calories. It results in a calorie deficit. Fiber-rich foods are good for the healthy digestive system, maintenance of blood sugar level, and also for the management of cholesterol level. All these factors naturally create a heart-friendly environment and save your body from different diseases. Low in calories. Plant-based food sources are less calorie-dense. For a vegan diet, the number of calories is fewer in comparison with the same volume of food derived from a non-vegan diet. In 1 ounce of cheese and 2 ounces of chicken breast, there are present 100 calories. On the other hand, you consume 100 calories when you eat 10 ounces of melon or 10.5 ounces of cooked broccoli. In broccoli and melon, the fiber content is much higher as compared to the cheese and white meat. And they are calorie-dense food sources also. You need to consume more calories if you want to satisfy your hunger pangs. While in case of vegan diet, your stomach automatically controls the calorie intake due to lower calorie density. Limits the intake of certain problem food. In a vegan diet, you are not allowed to eat certain foods. In this case, the food choices are bit limited. According to a survey, people with the availability of more variety in food unconsciously eat 23% more calories. When you are bound to a vegan diet and you are not offering any vegan cookie at the cafe, then you stop consuming extra calorie. It reduces the instances of overeating because you limit the intake of certain food items. All the baked items and the processed food items are available all the time and anywhere. When you limit the intake, you control calories with the chemicals and preservatives present in those food items. You eat more healthy and quality food, just perfect for your body. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your family and friends. Please remember to subscribe my channel to see more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching.